Welcome. In this video, I will show you the best way to use your smartphone as a remote control for your TCL 32V5C TV. So, if you set up your TV using your smartphone, then you most probably have a smartphone with the same Google account on it and with Google Home application on it, which can be used to control your TV remotely. However, in the Home application, which you can, by the way, download from the Play Store if you don't have it on your smartphone, if you open the devices list and open your TV, trying to use your smartphone as a remote control, for some reason the synchronization is not always the best one, considering that my TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as my smartphone, and they have the same Google account set up on both of them, and therefore I want to show you the best way to use your smartphone as a remote control. All you have to do is go to the TCL Home tab at the top bar of your home screen and sign in to your TCL account. And if you don't have a TCL account, no worries, just select sign in, then select Google account. If you want to, you can use a different way, like a TV remote, creating a new account manually, or signing, scanning the QR code, entering this PIN code on the website that you open, and signing in with your mobile device. But I think the Google account is the fastest option in this case, so just select it, then select your Google account from the list, and that's it. You are now signed into the TCL Home application. After that, you're going to have to download the same application on your smartphone. So let's grab our smartphone, let's swipe up the apps menu, open the Play Store, search for TCL Home application, and once you find it, install it, wait until it's installed, and in the meantime, to connect this TV to the TCL Home application, we're also going to need to install some additional software. This is the official software from TCL, so don't worry, just open your apps menu, go to the Play Store, go to the search field and search for Magic Connect. So then tap search, and most probably you will find two pretty much identical applications in the search results. So the first one is the one that we don't need. So it's called Magic Connect TV App Services, and it's maybe something that you will want to download later. But for now, we're gonna need the second application, which is called Magic Connect TCAS TV Services. So click Install to install this application. Then let's go back to the smartphone. Here we have the TCL Home application already installed. Let's open it. Skip some introductions, allow the access to your media, then select country or region right here, and then tap on your country on the list, then tap OK, and then once again select Google shortcut to use your Google account to sign in. Allow it sending the notifications, or don't allow it, it's up to you. And right now what we want to do, or what you need to do, is open this app once, select open, press next, OK. That's it. Yeah, now we can close this application. We are not gonna need it anymore. So what we need to do now is select TV menu in the TCL Home app on your smartphone. Then tap on the TV icon in the top left corner of the screen and let your smartphone locate your TV. Then tap Connect. Next to it, you can change the device name and room in here. Then tap Enjoy, and right now we are ready to use our smartphone as a remote control. So either tap on your TV icon in the top left corner, or go to the Home tab and just tap on your smart TV right here. And now we can use our smartphone as a remote control by tapping at the remote icon at the bottom of the screen. And yeah, And so that's basically it. Here we have the D-pad, we have the keypad, we have the touchpad if you want to. We have volume control, channels control, input control, menu, mute, unmute, and basically everything we need. And this app works seamlessly, and you can see it yourself. We can basically, it's no worse than an actual remote. And yeah, and that's basically it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.